All of this stuff is enough to start a YouTube channel with a decent production value. The kicker? It only cost around 160 bucks. First things first, I'm going to unbox this package from Ulanzi. This setup is designed to give you everything that you need to vlog or start a YouTube channel, and it does so at a fraction of the cost of most of the other gear on the market. This Ulanzi vlog setup comes with a universal cage for your device, a powerful LED light with cold shoe mounts and a number of accessories, and an effective wireless microphone with 2 different lavalier mics. Be sure to stick around until after the video to hear my thoughts after I thoroughly test all this stuff. So I'm going to kind of do some vlogging this morning using this vlogging setup from Ulanzi. It is worth noting before we go any further in the video that Ulanzi did send me this gear free of charge. It's not going to affect the way that I feel about it, but I just wanted to be transparent and let you know. This collection of Ulanzi gear is a great collection of gear if you're just starting with mobile filmmaking or a YouTube channel of any kind. It's going to be significantly less expensive than the majority of the gear that I currently use. If I didn't have the gear that I had and I was looking to jump into mobile photography and filmmaking and starting a YouTube channel and all that kind of stuff, I would be very interested in picking up this gear. I haven't really tested it, but I did unbox it and do some fiddling with it. But I do like the little cage thing that's kind of like the beast cage. It has some drawbacks, but for the price, it's very usable. The light is unbelievably powerful. I currently have it on 17% power, and it's absolutely doing a wonderful job lighting me, and it's very dark outside, so that is very impressive. And then this wireless microphone, I'll have to see how the quality of the audio is, but off the jump, I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go around CW and do some vlogging. So initial thoughts about this setup from Ulanzi, definitely digging the light. Very powerful, is doing a really good job of keeping my face well lit, even in the dark. The microphone seems to be doing a very good job as well. I have to get the footage onto my computer to see how well it's really performing. So this is the audio from the Ulanzi microphone, and this is the audio from my Rode VideoMic Pro. Now I am interested to see, there are some women that are walking about 50 feet behind me to the right. I wonder if you can hear anything that they're saying at all via the lavalier microphone. So Editor Joe, definitely check that out. And I do like these little handles that the cage comes with. I'll show you on the screen right now. I did some adjusting with the Allen wrench on this screw. And so my left handle is like loose. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this kind of vlog setup off so that I can attach the cage to my tripod, get some locked off shots, and I'll be back to talk to you momentarily. So another thing worth noting about this Ulanzi cage is it kind of is a bummer insofar as there's not holes for you to be able to access the volume and the lock button on the iPhone. That's kind of an oversight. I will say my phone feels very in there. I'm not worried about the phone falling out at all. And then another bit of information is that you cannot attach moment lenses or any kind of external lenses with this cage on. Perhaps you can, Ulanzi has their own setup that allows you to do this. They did not send that to me, but specifically for moment lenses, I do not think you can. I am going to try and attach the moment lens adapter before I leave just to see, but based on the way that the cage is built, I'm thinking it's a no. Yeah, honestly, big fan of this Ulanzi setup. I have been interested in testing Ulanzi gear for quite a while. Just generally my philosophy with anything that you can buy is that price is a big part of it. I've worked for people in related fields to what Photos with Phones does who said cost is not a big factor, and that's just stupid to me. A lot of people are kind of limited by how much freaking money they have. So to not consider cost is really just a slap in the face to some people. Ulanzi markets itself as a budget brand, and if a budget brand can come close to competing with somebody like Moment or Sandmark or Beast Grip, then I'm gonna give them an opportunity to do so, because I think that you are interested in seeing what the budget brand can do and how it compares to the more premium brands. So that's my 2 cents on Ulanzi. Thanks for sending me the gear, and look forward to whatever's next.